Hi guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how I did this skin retouch using frequency separation method. This is MC Media. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you can be seeing my videos I will be uploading on my channel. So without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to open a new document here. I'm going to open using this. This is my picture. You can see my picture here. Okay, so let's duplicate this. Yeah, just duplicate. We drag and drop on it to duplicate tool here. All right. Then you need the first one color, right? Color, and the second one texture, right? Texture. Go ahead and hide this one. It's texture layer. Make sure it's on the color layer. Then come here, view. Okay. Filter. Go to noise, dust and scratches. Good. You can see that my own is on 8. I think I will prefer it on that 8. Basically it may not come directly to 8. Your own may be 1 or any number you see. Just make sure you set this place on a good. See what I have here. Let me set it on good. I think I'm okay with this. Then you set it to 8. 8 is okay for me. Then I click OK. So once you click OK, go ahead and click on the texture. Bring it back, the visibility. Then go to image, apply image. You can see that, right? Apply image. Once you click on apply image, automatically it will turn to this color. So what you need to do is to come here where you have merge here, click on it, and look for color. You can see the color. Okay, this is what we want to apply. So look, click on the color, choose color here, then on the choose subtract. So once you have subtract here, you can see it turns to this way. So your own may come with maybe the scale number may come with 1, and this number may come 0, for example. So because I've been using it several times, that is why my own setting came automatically like that. So all you have to do, just put it on 2 and put this one on 128. Okay, automatically it will turn to gray like this, gray color like this. Leave this opacity to 100% and preserve the transparency and mask. Just leave them like that. Once you have the color, and it's just click on OK. Go ahead and click OK. Then come to this side, normal, and go look for linear light. You can see that linear light. Once you click on linear light, you have something like this. Good. Now we want to do something on the face right now. So come to color here and choose lasso tool here. Click on the select a part of the face. Make sure you are on the color layer. You can see that. Good. Go to blur, Gaussian blur. You can see that. My own is on 11. There's something I quickly want to remind you. before you start, just make sure this place is on 20 peso. You can see that. You can see that 20 peso. So let me go back again to filter. Okay, blur, Gaussian blur. Good. So you can see that if I adjust this, you can see what I have. So make sure you adjust it to a level whereby you can still have a good skin texture. So I think the 25 is okay for me. The 25, let me adjust it a bit and see. Now 42 is too much. Then just choose like maybe 30. 30 is also okay. It's still looking fine. Good. Click on OK. You come to this side. Select this place very well. Select it. Good. To apply it directly, you can click on Ctrl F. Click on Ctrl F. You can see that. I apply the Gaussian blur automatically. You can see Gaussian blur. See Ctrl F. So once you click on it, it will apply the previous setting of Gaussian blur. So let's go ahead and click on this one too. Select this part. Go ahead and select this part too. Select this part very well. Make sure you select the part very well. Okay, my one is not well selected, but I can do with it like that. Let me just shift it a bit. Good. Then I will apply Ctrl F. Good. So I think Gaussian blur is too much on this. So let me go back, Ctrl Z, and maybe go back to Gaussian blur. So the amount is too much for this side. Let me put it to maybe 11, or because the light here is affecting this side, the white light here is affecting this side. So let me put it on, I think 16 is okay. Yeah, 14. Yeah, or let me put it to 16. 15 is okay. Good. Come here. Come here to select this part. Select it in here. Select this part. Gaussian blur. So you can see I'm not applying the same number to everyone. You just go ahead and choose the one that works fine according to your image. Okay, according to your picture. I think I'm okay with this. Number 20 is okay for here. So I choose this place. Select this place too. This way. Good. Now there's something about this place. If I click on Gaussian blur like this, you can see this place is flat. Automatically it's flat, so we don't want this place to be flat. So go ahead and go back a little bit so that it won't affect this place. So I think I'm okay with the 8. Click on OK. Come to this side. Come to this side. Select the nose too. Good. Filter, blur, Gaussian blur. So you can see the nose too. If you click on the, if you go ahead and adjust it to a higher level, you can see the nose will become flat and it's not good. So I maintain it to 8. 8 is okay for what I want to do. So I think 8 is okay. Good. Then to deselect it, just go ahead and click on Ctrl D to deselect. Good. So we have something, we have already a good texture. You can see when I zoom, you can see the skin texture is still clean, it's still okay. it doesn't look like something that's they've edited. So let's work on the texture now. We want to remove the pimples, all these rashes on her face. So go ahead and click on this tool, clone tool, and see clone stamp tool. Okay, choose that, hold the Alt key and click on your right click. I mean, not right click, just click on the part you want to select. You can see this part is clean enough, so hold the Alt key and select this part. Just click on it and come to this place, click, select this place. You can see the pimple is going. I want a bigger size, so I think 40 is okay. So once you click on it, you can see they are going. I don't need the pimples. You can see the pimples are going. Make sure you select the parts you are working with so that it will not change to another color. You can see that. Good. This one. Select this part. Good. Select this part too. Good. This. Good. Okay with this. Good. Okay with this. And select this part. Make sure you remove all the rashes. Good. So with this right here, you can see that the skin is already smooth. Can you see that? It's already smooth. It doesn't look edited because the skin is still looking very natural. You can see that. So go ahead and choose, put this color and texture, select the two of them and put them in a group. You can see that, in a group. Name the group frequency separation. Frequency separation. Frequency separation. Good. Frequency separation. So that's okay for now. So you can see the frequency separation here. If I remove this before, can you see that? After, before, after. So this is how you do skin retouch in Photoshop. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you liked the video and it was helpful to you. So make sure you click on the notification button so you can be seeing other videos that I will be uploading on my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.